Want to import your help desk data to ServiceDesk Plus? Help desk migration is a tool you need. It's an automated online service that helps to upload your data to ServiceDesk Plus. Here's how to import your data to ServiceDesk Plus. Select your source platform and fill in the access credentials. Then connect your ServiceDesk Plus account by providing a URL and API key. Select the data you would like to import. You can migrate such data to ServiceDesk Plus as contacts, agents, groups, tickets with all attachments, inline images, both public and private notes. Then press on Match Items to map agents between source and target platforms. When you are done, go to Group Fields Matching. Now it's time to map ticket fields. Be sure you've done it properly and all your data will settle in the right place on your ServiceDesk Plus. Everything is mapped. Hit the Save button to apply your settings. If your source platform supports automated options, you can customize your data migration on your own. The available options might be: skip attachments, migrate inline images as ticket attachments. Once the setup is done, run your demo migration to check if the data migrates correctly. Have any specific requirements for data migration? Pick up a suitable support plan. Ready to import? Click Visit Website and try the app for free.